Hello and welcome. This video will introduce the installation steps for Oracle Linux 9. In this video, we will cover the major steps and required installation options for installing Linux version 9. The first step is to prepare the installation media by obtaining an up-to-date installation image and then preparing that image on a bootable storage device or drive. To obtain an installation image, go to yum.oracle.com/oracle-linux-isos.html. This Oracle page contains the different types of the most up-to-date ISO files. We will select Release 9.0 and the full ISO file for this demonstration. Next, prepare the bootable installation by burning or storing our ISO file onto our chosen form of media. USB flash drive is the most common form of bootable installation media, but use a form that works for your need. For instructions on preparing different types of bootable installation media, go to docs.oracle.com/en/operating-systems/Linux/9/install. Now that we have our installation media ready, let's boot the system. The system will boot to a text-based screen. The options displayed are to install Oracle Linux 9, test the media and install, and troubleshooting. If you're uncertain about your installation media, it is recommended that you choose the Test the Media option. The installer will validate the content of the installation media and then begin the installer. For this demonstration, select Install Oracle Linux 9. The next step is to use the graphical user interface to guide us through the rest of the installation process. On the Welcome screen, select our language and region, then click Continue in the bottom right. Next, the installation summary provides an overview of the installation options. These options have default values. The options that require viewing or selections are marked with a warning icon. If needed for your installation, click the keyboard, language support, or time and date to make changes based on your specific needs. Under Software is the Software Selection option. On the software selection screen are options for selecting the base environment for the install and additional software for that selected environment. By default, the server with graphical user interface is selected, but for this demonstration, we will select minimal install. Additional software can be selected based on your need by clicking the checkbox to the left of the option. When done, click the Done button in the top left corner. Under System Options, select Installation Destination. The Installation Destination screen provides options for specifying where the operating system will be installed. By default, the local disk is selected, but there are options to select among local disks, specialized, and network disks. After configuring these options, click Done to return to the installation summary screen. Under System Options, select Network and Hostname. Beginning with Oracle Linux 9, network connections are automatically enabled. The default network configuration uses DHCP for IP version 4 addresses. To configure advanced settings like using a static address instead of DHCP or configure proxy settings, click the Configure button. For this video, we will enable the existing Ethernet connection and we will keep the default host name of localhost. Click Done at the top left of the screen to return to the installation summary. Under User Settings, we find root password options. On the root password screen, enter a strong root password and then re-enter that same strong password in the Confirm field. Click Done to return to the installation summary screen. Under User Settings, select User Creation. Create a user by filling in the required fields. Optionally, you can grant the user administrator privileges. The privileges enable the user to issue administrator commands by using sudo. To set additional user configurations, such as the user's home directory, click Advanced. When you are done, click the Done at the top left of the screen to return to the installation summary. Complete the installation by clicking the Begin Installation button. The installation takes a while. After it finishes, reboot the system as prompted. Upon reboot, system options will be presented, and then a user login screen. This demonstration used the minimal install option, which boots the system to the console with a simple login screen. If the server with graphical user interface selection was made, then a graphical user interface screen would occur in place of the console. In this video, we covered the primary installation steps and covered required installation options. For more details on steps or installation options, go to Oracle documentation on installing Linux 9 and go to the Oracle Linux Learning page.